friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to delete your collection on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. After that, tap on Saved. Then select collection which you want to delete. Let's try this one. After that, press on 3 dot which show in here. Then press on Delete Collection. Then press on Delete. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video, we explain how to delete your collection on Facebook app. That's it.